Yeah, my name's Nicky. Just been learning lots about HMOs, service accommodation, rent to rent, sort of throughout the week, which has been very interesting. Learnt lots, so really useful.
What's like the main sort of takeaway that you've learned?
I think just the sort of legalities involved with sort of doing rent to rent. Also, what's involved within the sort of HMO process, and sort of understanding how to find those sort of deals, and what's involved in that.
What do you think about like learning in person as opposed to online? Have you found that really useful?
Yeah, I think what I find useful is maybe to do the online course first and then come to the in-person training, and it sort of just consolidates what you've been doing already at home, and then it all sort of just links and fits together really.
And what are the teachers like at Samuel?
Oh yeah. Everyone's really sort of engaging, very knowledgeable. They've got different approaches and different styles, which is good. So you've got a bit of a sort of ebb and flow sort of between the different speakers and stuff, which is great.
And what would you say to someone looking to get into politics?
I think definitely educate yourself. There's lots out there on YouTube, on the internet, lots of books and things that you can, get lots of information, resources from. Also get out and network, get to meet people who are doing it already, and then think to yourself, if it's for you, maybe invest in some sort of property education program similar to Samuel Leeds, and sort of take it from there really.